LDS Hospital.
All right, you guys, the flu is one of the most common infections in the U.S. and contributes to more than 200,000 hospitalizations and 17 million work days lost each year. We have Brandon Webb from LDS Hospital here, and we're talking about the flu shot. And this is something that I think a lot of people have questions about. It seems like there's a little controversy that's always going on about the flu shot.
Always.
But we are going to talk about some of the myths.
Okay.
Of the flu shot, right?
Let's do it.
Okay, so the first myth is that you can catch the flu from the vaccine. This is what I'm excited to talk about, because you hear that a lot.
Yeah, a lot of people think that they've had the vaccine and then they get the flu. The first thing that contributes to that myth is that it's not at all uncommon to have some symptoms after you get the vaccine.
Okay, but why is that?
It's because your body is devoting a lot of its resources to protecting itself.
Okay.
So you get the vaccine, and the vaccine stimulates your body to produce protective antibodies against the flu. And that takes a lot of effort on the part of your body.
So then that in turn can give you flu-like symptoms.
Yeah, so a lot of people are using all of these resources and they become fatigued for a few days. Some people get a mild runny nose. A lot of people have some muscle soreness.
But not everyone, right?
Not everybody.
Are these rare instances, or is it?
It's not uncommon to have those briefly, but that's not the flu. That's not because you've been infected with the flu virus.
So it's not the flu. It's just kind of feels like it could be.
Vaccine side effect.
Okay. The next myth is that getting the flu vaccination is all you need to protect yourself from the flu.
So the vaccine is very important. It's probably the best way to protect yourself, but don't forget about important things like hand hygiene, washing your hands, carrying that hand sanitizer around. And when you're sick, stay home.
Yeah, stay home. Thank you for that. Yeah, stay home if you're sick. Okay. All right, the next myth is that you don't need a flu shot every year.
So that's an important one. The thing with the flu shot is the flu virus is smart, and it's constantly evolving. And so the flu strains that circulate in our community every year are different. So we haven't seen those particular flu strains from year to year, and you may not be immune to them.
So that's why every year they're going to come out with a new strain or whatever that is going to help with particular.
Exactly.
And so it's important to get it every year.
Exactly.
Okay, got it. Next myth is that the flu vaccine is dangerous.
That's maybe the biggest myth.
I've never heard that.
So
other than like it might give you the flu, which is apparently a myth, but like what is that myth even about?
Well, let's talk about side effects for just a minute. We talked about the mild side effects. Some people, and it's very rare, will have serious side effects from the flu. And the most common serious side effect is a fever that goes away, and it's serious, but it's not dangerous. Very rarely people can have other serious side effects, but it is rare. It's 1 in a million.
Wow.
So your risk of having a serious side effect from the flu vaccine is actually 30% lower than getting struck by lightning.
Oh, wow. So that's a huge myth.
It's rare. Yeah.
Good to know. Okay, and the last one. Many people can't get the flu shot.
So a lot of people have heard that either because their immune system is weak, or because they're pregnant, or because they have an egg allergy, they can't get the flu vaccine.
Okay.
But we have a lot of flu vaccine products available now. So we recommend talk to your doctor or pharmacist, because very likely there's a flu vaccine product that's safe.
So when you say a flu vaccine product, you're saying there's like a different flu vaccine that might be that will work for you.
Right. We have flu vaccines that are injected. We have flu vaccines that are inhaled through the nose. We have flu vaccines that are made without egg product.
Interesting. Okay, got it.
So there's something that's right for nearly everyone.
Everyone can get the flu and should get the flu. In fact, you guys are offering a free flu shot clinic on November 12th from 6 to 8 at LDS Hospital.
That's right.
So nice of you.
Thanks for having me.
Obviously, it's clear that we should all be getting the flu shot, so there's no excuse. Everyone can get it, and you can get it at this free flu shot.
The CDC recommends everyone aged 6 months and older.
Got it. Good tips. Good tips. All right. Thank you so much, Brandon.